This person here has made this much money and this person over here has made this much money. With this money making method, people are earning thousands of dollars. You can be just like all of these people if you follow the tips and tricks I give you in this video. However, unlike these people, you could be making this much money without having to put a ton of work into it. You don't need any technical skills or experience to be able to make insane amounts of money. Plus, you don't need to live in any country in particular to be able to use this money-making method. You could be traveling the world and constantly on the move and still be able to make money this way. Keep watching so that you can find out exactly how it works. You're going to want to pay very close attention so you don't make any mistakes and miss out on potentially earning thousands of dollars. Watch this whole video before you actually do anything just so that you can do it right the first time. Also, feel free to pause the video and rewatch the parts that you're having trouble understanding. This video is going to be jam-packed with information, so you can always go at your own pace.
Before I go into these tips and tricks, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos on ways that you can earn money. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you get notified when these videos come out.
Now, let's get into this gold mine, shall we? The first site that you're going to need to visit is none other than Amazon.com. To be exact, you need to head over to Amazon Kindle. To get there, you can either type in Amazon/Kindle-ebooks, or you can scoot your booch over to Google and search for Amazon Kindle. Whichever way you choose should bring you over to the Amazon Kindle store. Amazon is the money-making platform that we're going to be using today, and I'm going to show you exactly how it works. This method is hassle-free and you don't need any skills or anything else to be able to do this. Amazon is a really huge platform. Millions of people visit Amazon on a daily basis, making it a great platform to make money on. Amazon is one of the biggest companies in the US, with sellers making a ton of money off of this site. If you didn't already know, Amazon Kindle is also a great place to be able to earn big bucks. This is a place where lots of people sell ebooks. It's actually really easy to become an ebook seller, which I'm going to explain. To sum it all up, all you need to do is upload an ebook on here, and then Amazon drives traffic for you, and you can just sit back and watch the money roll in. When people buy your ebook, you get paid. Selling books on here can actually make you a lot of money. I mean, if you really look into it, you can see all of these people selling ebooks about fitness, and they charge this much for each book. Now, if you take a look at this book, it has this many ratings. So if you do the math, that means that this person is making thousands of dollars in passive income. You can scroll through and see people making just as much or even more money. All of this is passive income because all you need to do is set it and forget it. I mean, these are just a few out of hundreds of people that are selling ebooks on here, and they're making so much money. You can be just like all of them if you listen closely. Now, as I said earlier, this method takes very little effort. Once you publish your ebook on here, Amazon will drive traffic for you, and when people buy your ebook, you get paid. This is why Amazon is such an amazing money-making tool. If I were you, I'd take the advantage of this amazing opportunity because Amazon is such a huge and well-known company. It makes it a great marketplace for ebooks, and you know that you're actually going to make sales on here. I mean, just by looking at these examples from earlier, you can really see the potential of what you can earn. It's an insane amount of money, so go for it.
But before I do that, don't forget to hit the like button down below, share this video, and turn on notifications for more videos on how you can earn extra cash.
Now that you've learned about Amazon ebooks, you're probably wondering how you can get started so that you can start earning big bucks. Well, obviously, first you're gonna need an ebook to sell. Now, if you're watching this, you probably aren't really a writer or have very little or no writing experience, and that being said, there's another tool that I found that can actually help you out. Now, before I go into that, you're gonna need to sign up for an Amazon Kindle account because, of course, you can't sell with them without an account, right? So to do that, you need to go to kdp.amazon.com. On this page, there's some information about publishing books, so you can see that it only takes minutes to upload a book, and once it is, it only takes 24 to 48 hours for Amazon to actually have it up and published. So clearly it's quick and you can be earning in no time. Now on this page, you're just gonna hit the sign up button, and if you don't already have a KDP account, you're gonna wanna do this. So obviously, just like with any sign-up sheet, they ask for some of your personal information like your name, your email address, your password, confirm your password, and then you can create your account. Now that your account is up and running, you're ready to start publishing ebooks. As I said earlier, it doesn't take but a few minutes to publish a book. I also mentioned earlier that you're going to need another platform if you aren't a writer, so there's actually a place where you can find ebooks that you can publish. To find ebooks, you're just going to head over to this website right here. You can find ebooks on this site and then you can resell these ebooks. Basically, this website hosts a lot of digital products that you can obtain the license for and then use to be able to sell to make a profit for yourself. As you can see, they have videos, articles, and most importantly, ebooks. So basically on here, you can buy an ebook for a few bucks and then publish it to Amazon and make even more money than what you'd spent. Again, Amazon is a great website to do this on because of all the traffic your listings will get. With Amazon, you can make thousands of dollars in no time. Now, you may be kind of mad at me because usually my videos feature free ways for you to make money, and with this method, you are going to need a bit of cash up front. If you don't have the money to shell out, there are actually websites that sell ebooks for free that you can publish to Amazon, but I do need to warn you that most of these free books have been republished by multiple people to Amazon, so the chances of people buying your version is really slim. It really is worth spending the few dollars that you'd need to spend to buy the ebooks to be able to publish. However, there is another great thing about this website. If you don't have the money to be able to actually buy the rights to an ebook, they actually also have free ones on here that aren't super overused. So you can just hover your mouse and then click right here, and you can see a list of books that you can use to publish. Once you actually start making money off of Amazon, you can start reinvesting it into buying more ebooks that you can then publish and make even more money off of. It really is a win for you. You don't even need to make thousands of sales just to earn a decent amount of money. Even if you only have a few books up and get 50 to 100 sales, you should make a pretty good amount of money. You can just keep reinvesting your money into buying more ebooks, and in no time, you should be making thousands of dollars. Plus, all you really need to do is upload and then sit back and relax. This is a really great money-making method, and I highly recommend it. Anyways, that's all I've got for you today.
Now before I go, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more simple ways to earn extra income. That's all for today. See you in my next video.